Hey guys, just wanted to take you out on the road with this 1955 Willys pickup truck. This thing drives just like a modern day vehicle. It's very comfortable, has all the creature comforts like air conditioning, and has an automatic transmission as well.
Take a video of it going down the road.
Alright, inside the 1955 custom-built Willys truck, you've got all monitored amenities, including a nice, powerful 454 V8 with an automatic transmission. It is equipped with cruise control and a lot of the power amenities we're used to today, like power steering, power brakes. Air conditioning works and blows nice and cold, and it drives like a dream. Nice and smooth, and a lot of power to spare.